Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is Sharanya Rajesh, your English teacher. Today we will discuss the first chapter, The Fun They Had. This is written by Isaac Asimov. Here is a brief description about him. This is the introduction. The story takes place in the world of the future where computers dominate everything. Moreover, it also shows how the concept of schools and classroom has transformed completely. So, this is how the schools of future will look. Students, they will learn through computers and their classroom will be called as virtual classroom. The teacher who teach them will be robotic or mechanical teachers they will have, and the textbook they will have moving e-textbooks. Let me introduce the characters of this story. The story starts with two children named Margie and Tommy. Margie, she is 11 years old girl who hates school because of many reasons. And Tommy, who is 13-year-old boy. And the next character is Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother, and the mechanical teacher, the teacher of Margie and Tommy. He teaches them different subjects and he works on the television screen. It's the year 2157 and Margie is writing in her diary about how Tommy found a book. This book was of Tommy's grandfather when he was a small kid. Margie learns about how they used to print all the stories on paper back then. So in her diary, she wrote that today Tommy found a real book. Now, what do you mean by real book? Real book is an old book which is in printed form. Now, Tommy calls the book what a waste because he thinks that his television screen had millions of books on it. So he calls the book as waste because they were in the habit of reading the words which are in the motion, that means which moves on the screen. They were not in the habit of turning the pages over, and they feel that turning the pages is just funny. So he is saying that it was funny because they were not in the habit of reading still words. Now here still words means which are in the printed form. After that, it takes an interesting turn when they discuss school. Margie learns that schools were very different back then. They had actual persons who were teachers. It is surprising because she has only robots which teach her. So in this image you can see that Margie is thinking that they had a teacher and it was a man. Moreover, she doesn't like her school because of many reasons. As her mechanical teacher gives her test after test in geography subject, so it had been a very bad experience for her because she was not scoring well in geography part. So she doesn't like the teaching of her mechanical teacher. And the other reasons why she hates her school was in the school which she studied. She doesn't have any classmates. Even it doesn't have lunch or playground also. So because of all these things, she hates her school. Margie and Tommy study in a virtual classroom. They have robots as teacher. Most importantly, her school is next to her bedroom only. It is a room full of electronic robots and gadgets. The computer software teach her everything. When Margie attends her school after learning about the early ones, she starts wondering. When she starts studying, she can't help but think about the early days. She was just imagining how the schools were in the past. Both Tommy and Margie wonder at the book found by Tommy in his attic. Now here attic, the word means a space just below the roof used as storeroom. They wonder at the book as they read books on the screen of computer teacher. Margie feels the computer teacher is boring. She doesn't like the mechanical teaching and learning. She also wonders how much fun would it be studying in a school with other children from a human teacher. And with this I end this video. Thank you.